you don't just have to be smart. Smartness is not just it. You also need the drive. You need something that motivates you, something that makes you say, okay, regardless of how hard it is, regardless of how this day is, there's something I can look forward to. There's somebody that is there that is motivating me. And the good thing about having a coach is that they are always in communication with your teachers. So whenever we're having grades and everything, my TPA coach reaches out, okay, this is my student, how is she doing? And then my teacher responds back, she's doing well. It's a great program. I mean, if I could shout it out from the rooftops, I would. And I really like it because it depends on your schedule. You don't just have to have a one-on-one coach. You can have embedded coaching, and I don't see how I can just be this person. Without it, I feel like I would just be a shadow of myself. I would just be somebody that just does the barest minimum and not really maximize my full potential as much as I could. Be ready to grow. Don't just stick to the, I'm just going to go to school and get out. Just listen to all the opportunities around you, because there are a lot, and it's up to you to take the opportunities that you have.